Hello, this is Ms. Lackey, your media coordinator at Ardrey High School. Today I'm going to show you how to log in and access your resource that you have available to you called the Testing and Education Reference Center. This resource provides you with quite a few AP practice exams as you prepare and gear up for your AP exam. So in order to log in to this resource, you're going to start at the Ardrey Media Center homepage. You can access it by typing in bit.ly/nightlibrary, or you can access it through the Ardrey School homepage, or even simply through the public library, which is cmlibrary.org. Today we're going to start from the AK Media Center homepage. This resource is provided to you from our partnership with the public library called One Access, where you have access to all of the resources by typing in your student ID number, or for staff members, your NC EdCloud number. So in order to get started, right here on the homepage, we're going to click One Access. Once we click on One Access, it's actually going to take us to the high school landing page with some resources. Once the page loads, if you scroll down toward the bottom, you're going to see one of the last links is the Testing and Education Reference Center. You're going to click on the blue button that says Access Now. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to the home screen for the Testing and Education Reference Center. We want to choose here at the top where it says High School, and we want to click Advanced Placement because we want to take a look at all of the practice exams available for AP exams. So as you can see, there's going to be a long list of various AP exams that they have practice tests for, as well as some online study guides. For today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Advanced Placement Human Geography practice test. So when we find it on the list, it's all in alphabetical order. We're going to click the little drop-down menu, and we're going to click that yellow Start Now button. So the website's going to ask you to create an account. We're going to click the Register button. This way it keeps track of our exams if we didn't finish it in the time that we were on there, and it keeps tracks of our scores. So take just a minute and go ahead and register your account. So once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to a screen for that practice test. But what it's going to start with is going to ask you the date for your AP Human Geography exam. So for now, I'm just going to use a fake date. So I'm going to click Continue. So what you're going to see is that it actually has 3 practice exams. It tells you how many questions and how long the test time is. It's also going to give you the percentage correct. It also is going to break down your reports for you, and it's going to tell you what type of questions you were getting wrong, what type you were getting right. There's also bookmarks, confidence levels, notes that you can take as well as you do the practice exams. So if you're interested in the first practice exam, you're going to click the button here, and it's going to give you the option to start the practice test. You would click that button, and then you would be able to go ahead and start practicing. Remember, if you have other AP exams, you can go back and you can take any of those practice exams, and don't forget the study guides. Again, this has been a tutorial on the Testing and Education Reference Center to help you as you prepare for your AP exams. This has been Ms. Lackey from your AK Media Center. Thank you.